Greetings everyone. This is our anti-drone defense system project which contains 4 main mechanisms. The first mechanism is RF based object detection, which is carried out by this ultrasonic sensor which is integrated with servo motor, which will give the 180-degree coverage for this ultrasonic sensor. The data or the object detected by this ultrasonic sensor is given to this ESP32 cam body, which is integrated with two servo motor, which is panel tilt servo motor, which gives 180-degree coverage to this ESP32 cam in both horizontal and vertical direction. So if any object is detected in this ultrasonic sensor is sensed by this ESP32 cam 2, so the direction in which that object is detected, this ESP32 cam autofocus to that part and locate it and track it. You can see that we have set a threshold at 10 centimeters. So the object, if the object is detected within a 10 centimeter, it is autofocus to that object. Our next step is by YOLO V8 model, OpenCV library and CNN algorithm. You can see this is our Raspberry Pi display. You can see it is on VS Code which is running in our Raspberry Pi display. Also you can see the Raspberry Pi and the ESP32 cam is connected to my mobile Wi-Fi, and also the ESP32 cam send the real-time video to an IP which is then accessed by this Raspberry Pi. I will show you the real-time video of the ESP32 cam. So you can see this is the real-time video. Also I will show you the object detection by this ML model. This is our code. Now I will show you our video processing. You can see I'm showing the drone image in my phone, and our model is successfully detecting it as a drone. I will give more image. You can see it is detecting it as a. I will give more complex image set. Yeah, it is detecting as a drone. You can see this is our servo motor setup and ultrasonic setup, which is detect the object, and also it gives the distance and angles and output. You can see if any object reaches within a threshold, it will detect as object detector and give the data to the ESP32 cam, so it can autofocus to it. Also it gives the distance and angle of the drone. Then you can see if any drone is detected, it will we have integrated GSM module, so it will produce an warning which is motion or drone detected in our system.